Hi everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm one of the support engineers with Bhumi. In today's topic, let us see how we can troubleshoot an issue with respect to HTTP URL encoding. That is actually throwing a bad request when I'm trying to hit target application. So I'm just trying to hit the request to show you the issue. Let the process run and wait for the execution to get completed. Yeah, the execution is completed, but uh, if I see it here, I see some bad request issue with respect to the payload that I'm sending. So I get the application server error with 400 bad request. So upon investigating this issue, the same request is working fine in Postman, but not in the Boomi. So sometimes what happens? Mm, yeah. In the filters, I'm passing this purchase order as purchase order space equals to this colon, but the HTTP client connector will not be able to parse this space. So we need to give it equivalent ASCII code for space. So for the space, it is %20. So I should be giving %20 and yeah. Here I have one more space, so I'll do %20 here. This colon is anyway supported in the URL encoding. So upon updating this, so we are explicitly mentioning that space should be replaced with %20 for the HTTP client connector or the browser to understand this as a parsable character. So once updating that character value, I will again trigger the request. So this time I should be getting the valid response from the application server accepting my request. Yeah, we already have an Boomi article for this. So if you see why certain characters ignored when used in Boomi REST URLs. So if we are passing any special characters, we should be manually replacing it with data process. Like in my case, it is a space value. I'm replacing with its corresponding %20 characters. So yeah, the execution is completed. Let us see if we got the response or not. Yeah, if based on the file size itself, we'll see we're getting a valid response. I got the response. So this is how we should be troubleshooting issues with the URL encoding. So for an instance, I have another payload. I have the percentile here, space here. So if you for some reasons, if you wanted to have the URL encoded string, you can manually get it here, clicking on the code snippet and select this URL. The corresponding encoded URL, you can be getting it from the Postman itself. Like I mentioned, %20 is for space. So here %20 in %20. Okay. So the same thing goes here. The space after ID is equivalently replaced with the %20 here. So not only space, sometimes other characters also might be causing issues, and you can you simply get it from the Postman, the encoded URL, and you can do the integration in your Boomi. Okay, that's it for this video. Uh, thanks for listening to this, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.